A lot of rock, a lot of big rocks. Tough thing about big rocks is they're hard to get over, they're slippery. It looks really deep right there actually. Good morning everybody, welcome back to the Logbook. My name is Jeff, but you can call me Brady. That is an homage to the camera Brady, which fell off my bike and smashed. Which is not the first time that Brady has fallen off my bike and smashed the person or the camera. So anyway, we're gonna do my chain and we're gonna get ready to go. So super exciting news. After a long search, I got one. Yeah, so I took the old tube that was my replacement from my Costa Rica puncture, put that back in my bag because that's a really big tube that'll fit all sorts of tires in the future. So yeah, sorted. Now we can have some fun. No more falling down on hills. We gotta go get gas, and that's where we will flip the coin. We are going to go either over Gatun Lake or we're gonna go under it. Both seem like they have some good dirt, so that could be fun. I designed routes for both. So let's get some gas, flip a coin, and have some fun. Okay, we're gonna go either north over Lake Gatun or left underneath Lake Gatun. Here we go. What's next? Okay, there you go. Left. We're going underneath. So here we go. 9:30 and it's really hot. So hopefully that is not evil. I've got a lot of water, so I should be okay. Let's hit the road. Today we're on a, what is that, blue? Blue. Is that blue? Purple? Let's go with blue. We're on a blue line. See what blue line's got for us. Ooh, we quickly get off this road. And we get up by, hopefully in the mountains. It looks like we get up in total at the height of this route. We get up to about 300 meters. So we have turned onto a smaller road. Just taking us through a little Puebla. Oh, I don't want to take a left there. That is a dead end, and there's a dog. Don't bark, come on, man. Oh, it's embarrassing to both of us. I guess you're just doing your job. Oh, this rear tire, I can tell, is so much better. He does not look happy. Hey, doggy. Well, that guy gave up quick. Reminds me of me. And here we go. We're back on some cement. And we're behind. I think I was behind this guy but a little while ago. We are in the middle of nowhere, and we're going, hold up. So we're properly getting off the beaten trail here. This should be fun. Oh yeah. This is great. just gorgeous. Ah, yeah. We're going. Yeah. Oh, we need to catch up with the old blue line here. All right, blue line, what do you got for us? Oh, we're here. Oh, that's good. Classic. I'm going to another farmer's field, as I do. Ah, this is so much fun. Whoa! Eat it, dog! I don't think the dogs around here get a lot of visitors. They seem to be having a lot of fervor. I mean, there's zero let up when they first coming at you, you know? Right out of the gate, they're quick. They just give up real quick. I don't think that's agave. I think that's something else. Or it's a different type. Yeah? Huh? Sister, this one's for you. Look how quick. Maybe aloe? Could be aloe. Aloe? Alright. Sister, if you know it's tequila, or soon to be tequila, or soon to be whatever you call it. Not tequila, obviously. We're a little far away. But if you know it's gonna be that other stuff, Mosko, let me know. Rocks! This road rocks. We got a Lorenzo coming up. I put my signal on just in case the dog wants to know where I'm going. I'm going that way. Uh-oh, we got dogs. What do we got? Do we got angry dogs? We got happy dogs. I think we got happy dogs. Hold on. Uh-oh. That looks like my... Oh, that was my left, I think. Unless I can go left up here. That was me. Oh, yeah, I'm done. Oh, now we got a dog. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay, I guess I gotta go back. Well, that's obviously someone's house or something. So I guess we gotta go back. So I've decided to keep trying to find the blue line, and we are on a smaller road, and this should take us right back to it. Oh, dog in a fence, dog in a fence. Oh, this is fun. This has been really fun before it was paved. Cool stuff. I feel like we haven't really gotten into the proper wilderness. We're just in sort of rural towns with, you know, heavy farming going on. So. Oh, cows! Hey, what's up, cow? Hello, cow. A lot of cow. One guy really appreciates the wave. Alright, we got a Lorenzo coming up, which is the blue line. I wonder what kind of road it is, because it was a private road last time, and right now it looks like it doesn't exist. Oh no, there it is. Alright, blue line. Please be public. Okay, you're dirt. That's good. Oh, man. I'm gonna, like, whenever I get out of the jungle, I'm gonna miss the jungle. It is really, really powerful, and it's just, I don't know, the power of how much life can occupy such a small space is really insane. And we, as humans, there's two of us right now. Oh, honking! The double honk, the wave honk. Yes! Alright, gotta find someone to practice on. Oh, here we go. We're taking Ricardo here. Alright, wave honk, wave honk, wave honk. What we got? Nobody yet. How many episodes has it been since I've been trying to have the intersection between knowing I want to do the wave honk and an actual human being? Okay, it's coming up where it says dirt, which is a concern because, well, this is dirt. And so it's the double dashed line basically usually says, you know, unmaintained road or something to that effect. But this road is continuing to go. It's not terrible. Maybe it gets really steep. Let's see what we got here. Oh, water crossing. Ooh. Here we go. Pretty steep. Lots of rocks. Ooh, this is actually really nice. It's like riding on a soccer field. Football! Football! Oh, this is awesome. So we just went from football field to Utah. And we got a horse. Caballo? Hola, caballo. Hola. Okay, there's a left that goes to a dead end. And that's it. We are in dead end land. Hola. ¿Está en ruta acá? ¿Está en ruta? ¿En calle de tierra acá?
Sí, la ruta sale ahí.
¿Sí?
Aquí te coger para acá.
Ok, perfecto. Gracias. Alright, it's over here, I guess. Oh, this is a really nice road. That one. There isn't a road over there. Okay, we'll see where this goes. That is the route. Okay, let's follow this one. Because that one looked terrible. See how this goes. I could be just turning around because this is marked as a dead end. Oh, it sure is beautiful. But in the back of my mind, all I can think is this is a dead end road. Oh, it doesn't look like it's dead endy. Looks like it keeps going-y. Well, this road's getting a little less used. Huh. This is where it says it ends. But it seems to keep going. So what do? Do we just keep going? Huh. I guess so. We just keep going. And we're just riding out into the green of the map. as well. This is the strangest thing. Okay, so I'm at a crossroads. I just came from over there, but on the map there's nothing. So I assume that would go to the blue line, assume that's going to go to that gray line, and that's going to meet up with the blue line over there. What do you do? I'm going to go aim for the blue line over there. This is a really cool little town. Look how lush that grass is. Crazy. Not going that way. This is a cool area. Restaurante. That's a restaurant. Let's go check it out. Hola. So you must be thinking, well, Jeff must have had a really good meal and he's rolling out of there and yada yada yada. No, I didn't eat any food. They had food. I wanted it. But I forgot to hit a cash machine when I was in the thingy. When I was at the gas station. I've got my safety money, but I don't ever dip into that. This is more of a... This will be a learning lesson. Oh, nice! Wow, that's beautiful. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, this is a big bridge. I'm guessing that was a water crossing before. Hold up. It'd be a long water crossing. Fun though. Alright. Today is Havana. I do want to stop somewhere nice, like that exact spot. Ooh, look at them horses. Oh, look at them water crossing. Alright, there we go. Oh, I just had a bug biting me. Ow. Well, I guess we're starting with starting from less momentum on the old water crossing. Not ideal, but whatever. Oh, that hurt. I wonder what I just got bit by. I'm gonna call him Jim. Jim just bit me. Ow, Jim. Seems like it wasn't really necessary. And more, whoa, this is looking rather impassable. Let's go take a look. Ooh, that's a monster. Oh man, let's go check it out. Definitely looks doable. Yeah, that looks doable, but there's a lot of rock, a lot of big rocks. Tough thing about big rocks is they're hard to get over, they're slippery. Looks really deep right there actually. Let's have a granola bar and give it a think. I think I'm gonna pass on this big river crossing. Yeah, I don't even really know how to get back out of here. Oh, it feels so good. Wow. Good days, man, good days. Love it out here. Snake dust battery died. Snake dust, tell me when your battery's gonna die. Anyway, this is, as it turns out, gonna be a long slog to get back to some sort of cement. So yeah, this is not as fun as I kind of initially thought it would be. So let's make it fun with a hill climb right off the bat. Oh my, wow, that was quick. This is cool. Alright. Mud times, mud times. Gunther, we're getting you a bath when we get sorted tonight or tomorrow morning. What looks less terrible over here? Yeah. Boop. Uh-oh. Okay, that's a good one. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to go do those stairs and then... Okay. Well, it looks deep there, so I could probably go around that way. That looks like it's also shorter. That's longer. Alright, let's go this way. Oop, we went right in the deep part. Oh, went right in the deep end. That's funny. And it was deep. It certainly was deep. That's good. I had my feet off the pegs and everything. Okay. This is an awesome dirt road. It's packed. This must be like newly made. Oh my. I'm so glad we're doing this. On a brand new tire. Whoa! Got a little squirrely there. As I said, new tire. And whoa! That feels like a... That doesn't feel good. Oh. This is a fun road. They must... Whew. This never ends. Okay. Let's see. We got a thingy in the road. Okay, that is that. So we want to continue along here. And then we want to take a second Lorenzo. Alright, we're slowly but surely, we're getting there. That is our road to salvation. So that is our road to salvation here. That's not it. That's it right there. So let's take it. It looks like another one of these super rad, like well-maintained dirt roads. Well, my perfectly graded dirt road gave way to a rocky uphill and this water crossing, which looks alright, but I can't see because of the reflection. But it looks okay right here. Don't fall. I got sketchy in the middle there. So yeah, no more perfect road. That fell off quick. I really honestly got lulled into comfort with that awesome oh, another one. I mean, I love the blue sky, but it's giving me trouble with the reflection. Okay, where was I? Am I going the wrong way? I feel like I'm going the wrong way. I think I'm in someone's yard. Hello, dog. Yeah. Well, I get to go back to that water crossing again. Alright, so I've actually met up with that network of roads when I lost the blue line when I was going down that crazy hill. So now I found a way through obviously some side roads to get to some sort of more, I don't know, something with stores and with a bank machine and hotel and all that stuff. So once we get there, well, our service will be a little bit better and we'll be able to figure out exactly where we are. Basically, I would say I backtracked at least half of the progress I made today. So yeah, that's that. So we'll get to some service, get some food, and we'll figure out where we stay tonight. I hope it's in a nice place like this though. We are at the highway. I don't think I've ever been this happy to see a highway. Oh, what a day. Alright, let's find a restaurant for sure. Meat with a side order of meat. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Hotel Mi Casa Grande. Right on the side of the highway. No messing around. Oh, what a day. I hope they have a room. I really do. Oh man. Oh, wow. Okay, so I got a room. That was a day. That was one for the books. So, I mean, I had a blast out there. Let's just get one thing clear. It was so much fun. There was a lot of weird stuff going on that crazy first kind of grassy weird downhill, and then you know, all the water crossings were rad. Getting turned around at the one kind of sucked, but it was enormous. I would still be wet right now. even if I didn't fall in, because boots just, things don't dry. It's 80% humidity, so things are just not gonna get too dry too quick. So anyway, I'm glad I turned around, but it did, when I got back, it probably added, I would say 3 hours to my trip. Yeah, I was, from this place here, I was about an hour away. But there was a river in the way, turned me around. So anyway, I'm here, bam, already downloading some footage, and Gunter's right over there doing Gunter things. And yeah, so tomorrow we'll have some more fun. I think we either go into mountains or we go into mountains. So yeah, that'll be pretty good. So I hope you like this episode. I had fun at the end of the day. Let's not kid ourselves. If you enjoyed yourself, give me a little mini thumbs up or a big thumbs up or a high five. It's all the same button. Anyway, if you want to see what happens tomorrow, click the subscribe button and join along for the rest of the trip. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Go out there, find someone and make them laugh. Ow. Alright, we're slowly but surely, we're getting there. I could stop for another granola bar.